And so in a sentence, like, quiero que comas más, okay? I want you to eat more, okay? We can see here that there are two verbs here. There's querer and comer that are being used. Now, querer is conjugated to mean I want. Querer is to want. Quiero is I want. And comas is you eat, but informally, but in the mood tense, okay? And so naturally, normally, it should be comes, right? For ed verbs, you take off the ed, you put s to make it you informal. And so it should have been quiero que comes más. However, if we look at these two verbs, right? In this case, quiero, us wanting something is a complete fact. There's no doubt that we want that, right? And so any desire that you have is a complete fact. You are sure of that desire. There's no doubt that you have that desire. So in this sentence, I want you to eat more. I want you eating more is a fact. My want is a fact. There's no doubt. But you eating more has a complete doubt to it, right? And that's different from saying you eat more, right? If you said comes más, you eat more, there's no doubt in that, right? But when you say I want you to eat more, you eating more has a complete doubt to it. It's not a fact. And so because of that, it won't be comes, but it will be comas. So the subjunctive will get triggered, or the mood tense. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.